My family and friends is a new find from the dollar store. Um, I will try this. This is LA's Totally Awesome Laundry Booster. So I will test this first in the rugs in the kitchen, and I will let you know if this is really good. I will not recommend if this is good, but I'm just excited. I found something, and it's just $1. You have to use like 1 scoop in a gallon of water. So we'll see if this is really good. I'll try it with my kitchen rug. I'll see you next time. And without further ado, please watch my video. My family and friends, today I went to the dollar store and want to pick up the bleach because I cannot find any alcohol yet to do disinfectant in the kitchen. But then I saw this one. This is Awesome Laundry Booster. So I'll check this out. I'll try this first with the rags in the kitchen and see what happens before I will put in my laundry, because if I don't like the smell and the result, I know I will not put in my laundry. Now I really love this one. I bought this like once and I just love it, and it's $1 each and 3 pieces in one box. So for $1 it cleaned most of my furnitures. That's all my furnitures plus some of the night lights. So it's really good deal. And then I saw this one. See, that is collapsible storage container, and I'll let you know if it's good. I will show you next time in my next video. So my friends, give me a like if you like this video. I will let you know next time if I like this. This is because for $1, this to me, it's a new find. And I'm so excited. And also this one. And I will let you know if this is good. A storage container. I need some storage container for my arts and stuff. So I will let you know next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.